Hi viewers, this is Ramji. In this video we are going to see about the definition of noun and kinds of noun, and also additionally the countable and uncountable noun and singular plural, how the modifications are, and also at last but not in the list, the noun gender. Come, let's go to the video.
உங்களுக்கு அம்மா யூடியூப் சேனல் பயனுள்ள வகையில் இருந்ததுன்னா கீழே தெரிகிற ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே ஒரு பெல் சிம்பிள் வரும், அதையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் எங்களுடைய அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வந்து சேரும்.
Hi guys, now what is noun first? We have already seen about the parts of speech. You may missed it, you just go to check in our playlist about word classes or parts of speech. You just go through it, then come to this one. Noun, the definition. Noun is nothing but this is also a word. It is used to indicate a name of a person, places or things. The person may be whatever the names of a person, animal name, people name, or whatever the may be, and place names and things. These are simply called a noun. Now we come on to the kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun in English? There are 5 kinds of noun in English. As like they are in the listed. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Shall we move on to see one by one? First, proper noun. What is proper noun? It is also a word. It is used to indicate the proper person or a particular person. For example, who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. So here Mahatma Gandhi is a particular person. He is also the father of our nation. So, for example, Ramji. The name Ramji particularly indicates me. So, these are some words properly assigned for proper person. So these type of words are called coming under the proper noun category. It indicates names, places are also. Then we move on to common noun. It indicates common. It indicates all. For example, dog, man, table, town, pen. It indicates the common place, common names, common things. And then we move on to collective noun. Collective noun, it is nothing but it is the combination of people, things, materials, etc., etc. For example, crowd. More than 1 people or more than 2 people, 3 people are there, when we can call it crowd. Family, assembly, group. These are the nouns coming under the collective noun category. And also material noun, 4th one. What is material noun? It is also a word, but and the word material is used to create some objects. For example, silk, iron, sugar, ghee, wood, clay, wool, etc., etc., etc. And then we move on to last one. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is nothing but it is also a word, but we could not see it, we could not touch it, but we can feel it. For example, action, quality, state. These are category under abstract noun. For example, beauty, kindness, honesty, bravery, judgment, movement, smile, childhood, boyhood, sleep, poverty. These are the nouns, but we could not see, touch, but we can feel. Additionally, these are the 5 kinds of noun coming under the noun category. Additionally, we can have more noun category. One is compound noun. What is compound noun? 2 or 2 more nouns joined together, it is called the compound noun. For example, petrol bunk, daylight, fortune telling, and woman drivers, lorry driving, waiting room. And these are like some words coming under the category of compound noun. Then next we move on to countable noun and uncountable noun. What is countable? We can have numbers to count. We can have some objects in our hand. We can able to count the objects by using numeric or alphanumeric mean. These are coming under the category of countable noun. If we have some objects, like example, apple, apples, dog, dogs, pen, pens, etc., etc., we can count it. But we are not able to count the objects in our hand. For example, milk in the glass in our hand. We could not count how many milk in our hand. So these are coming under the category of uncountable noun. For example, rice, sand, information, flour, furniture, knowledge, machinery, weather. So we could not count these types of nouns. by using numbers. So these are coming under the category of uncountable noun. Next, singular noun and plural noun. It is nothing, very very basic. Boy, singular noun. Boys, plural noun. So you can add more example for singular and plural noun. And last but not in the list, we are going to see about noun gender. The noun gender. There are 4 gender coming under the category of noun. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now what is masculine gender? Masculine gender is nothing but it indicates the male people. And feminine is also indicate the female people. And common gender, it indicates common to male and female. And neuter gender, it indicates the non-living objects. We can give you some example for masculine gender, bachelor, bridegroom, dog, emperor, father, headmaster, hero, husband. Feminine gender, example, actress, spinster, bride, cow, hen, bitch, empress, mother, headmistress, heroine, wife. Common gender, baby, infant, relative, child, cousin, spouse, teenager. And neuter gender, door, stone, tree, balcony, backyard, almirah, etc. etc. So I hope this video will be useful and helpful to you. This video should be useful to you, informative. This video should be informative one. If you like our videos, just hit the subscribe button to our AMMA YouTube channel. Thank you. Meet you again.